Welcome to my channel. My name is London. I am redoing this intro because I wanted to put a little bit more information into this video. While I was editing it, I realized it was turning into more of an unboxing and there wasn't a lot of meaningful information in this video. So I wanted to come on and say that in this video, I will be putting at the bottom of the screen which sunscreen out of the Sun Safety Kit is a mineral sunscreen or a physical sunscreen, and I will also have a bunch of information about like meanings about that and list them out and organize them for you guys so that you can figure it out easier than just me saying like, oh, this has SPF this has SPF this. So hopefully it'll add a little bit more information to the video, because I was so excited about this and I was like, oh, I want to get into it, and then I realized while I was editing it that it just turned into like an unbagging or unboxing video. But I'm going to be leaving down below which ones are which for this one, and then for the other one it does have 2 sunscreens in it, so I'll be listing that one out as well. So just to give a little pop in here to let you guys know. But now on to the rest of this video. Thank you. $25 goes to cancer research, and I always want more sunscreen because you can never have enough sunscreen. You need it for so many different things, like water resistant, stuff to go underneath your makeup, setting sprays. There's so many different things. So the bag is super cute, neon, really good quality, has a little puffy here. Unzip it and there is so much stuff in here. First thing I see is the Fresh Sugar Rose Tinted Lip Treatment with SPF 15. Ooh, oh, and you get a lot in there. Okay. I do have 2 fresh lip products already. So I have the Orchid and the Dream. So I do love these. The Dream I don't believe has SPF in it, but this one, the Orchid, does. So I do love these a lot, and I wanted to compare. So this is the full size and this is the smaller side, but I like this because I feel like dropping things, because I feel like this is a little bit different. So let me swatch. This is Dream. It's literally like the slightest bit of color. It's a little bit more like a treatment balm with some color. And then the Rosé. Ooh, these smell so good. Okay, so Rose is a little bit lighter than Dream. So Rose is on this side and Dream is over here. And then just for fun, I wanted to swatch out Orchid, because Orchid is the one that I put on when I'm like wanting some moisture and some color. And there is Orchid at the very end. Love these. Next up in here is the Supergoop Daily Moisturizer SPF 40 PA+++. Now this one says, Super Screen SPF 40 is our answer to the perfect daily moisturizer. This lightweight, hydrating, ideal for all skin tones and types formula protects from UV rays, pollution, and environmental aggressors. So this I would use more as like a day-to-day moisturizer, but I still want to protect my skin from aging, is probably what I would use this one for. It's a Supergoop. Let me see. So I picked up a little bit on my finger there. I just want to see. Oh yeah, this doesn't have any bit of color to it. I have not tried this Supergoop product, but I do have a lot of Supergoop products in my collection, and I love all of their sunscreens, so I'm excited to try that one out. Next up is the Drunk Elephant Umbria Tint Physical Daily Defense Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 30, and I love that they have their normal packaging on this where you just unscrew it and then you squeeze it out. I believe I have a full size of this one. So I just looked into my collection and I do have one that is already opened, but it's literally the same exact size. But I have tried this before. I do like it. Let me squeeze a little bit out so you can see it. It's not like normal sunscreen. It has a little bit of a darker coloring to it. As you blend it in, even though I'm pretty fair, it doesn't show that much on your skin. But if you're pretty dark, I don't know how this would look on your skin. I do love, love, love Drunk Elephant products, so I'm excited to have a backup of this one when I run out of this one. All right, what is next in here? Ooh, Shiseido. Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protecting Lotion. Broad spectrum SPF 50 for face and body. Water resistant, 80-minute. I love Shiseido sunscreen. It is one of the best sunscreens I have ever tried. It is definitely my favorite. I've never tried the lotion. I do have a full size of the regular face sunscreen. Next up in here we have the Dr. Dennis Gross Dark Spot Sun Defense Sunscreen SPF 50. Yeah, so there's what that one looks like. I wonder if this one is white. This one is, oh, okay, so this one is white as well. Ooh, this one has a little bit more of that sunscreen look to it. It doesn't smell like sunscreen though. Yeah, I would say this one would be one for someone with darker skin tones to avoid if you have that problem of getting that kind of gray cast. Next in here is the Murad Invisible Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 30, and I have tried this one before. I do like this a lot, especially for a primer. So let's see, over clean face, maybe applied under makeup or worn alone. And I do love this one. It helps a lot with texture and like mattifying and blurring your pores. So this is a great primer sunscreen that you can wear underneath your makeup if you're going to like Six Flags or like an amusement park. Next up is the Peter Thomas Roth Max Sheer All Day Moisture Defense Lotion. Oil-free, anti-aging, broad spectrum SPF 30, long lasting hydration, ceramides, soothing aloe, vitamins A, C, and E, pro vitamin B5 for all skin types. Wow. That is a lot of stuff in there. I'm really excited to try this. I've never tried this one before. And it comes in a pump. Ooh, that was way too much. I'm gonna even it out and put this on my other hand. Ooh, it's thick. If you have dry skin, this would feel so nice on a drier skin type. And also, it looks white, but this one doesn't have any of that like white cast to it, while like that Dr. Dennis Gross one did have a bit of a white cast. It definitely smells like sunscreen. It smells like the sunscreen your mom runs and chases you down to put on you before you go into the pool. That's what that one smells like, but I'm really excited to try it out. All those vitamins and the aloe vera in it. Next up is a tiny little sample size of the Origins A Perfect World SPF 40 Age Defense Moisturizer with white tea. Look at how cute. It's getting hard for me to open all of these. This one is white as well. This one smells so good. Ooh, it just smells like a spa, this Origins one. Next up is the Lancôme UV Expert Aqua Gel Defense 50 Sunscreen. All day primer and moisturizer. So you can use this one as a primer as well. It's getting so hard for me to open these with all the sunscreen on my hands. Ah, okay. Let's see, what color are you? You are white as well. Ooh, this one is super lightweight. It smells like Lancôme. If you know what Lancôme smells like, that's what this one smells like. And it's really lightweight as well. It's not sticky or anything or slippery. All right, we have 3 more to go. So the next one is the Coola Organic Makeup Setting Spray with hyaluronic acid. Ooh, I do have the Supergoop sunscreen setting spray, so I'm really excited to try this one. I didn't even know. Oh, it's water resistant for up to 80 minutes. Wow, cool. I'm so excited to try this out. All right. Next one is the Dr. Jart Cedar Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. Broad spectrum 30. Neutralizes redness, protects skin, improves skin appearance to be vibrant. Now I have taken home a sample of this a few times and I absolutely love this. It is a little bit of a higher price point, but it is green, as you can see, and as you rub it into your skin, it helps with not only like getting a sunburn kind of redness, but like hormonal redness, rosacea, all kinds of different redness around your face, acne, and it helps with redness over time. So I really love the tiger grass line from Dr. Jart. Last one is another product from Coola, and this is the Coola Sun Silk Drop Sunscreen Full 360 Spectrum UVA UVB IRHEB. I've never heard of that. I'm not familiar with that. Beach to boardroom, 70% plus organic. Interesting. I want to look into this more. I wonder what, and it has a little like squeegee dropper. I'll put a little bit on my wrist here. I like it. I don't want to waste it. Ooh, it's really like a serum. Like it feels like water. Doesn't really smell like anything. I can't really smell it. But like it literally feels like a serum. So that is all of the sunscreens out of the Sun Safety Kit. I'm really happy about this. I love that there's a little bit of something for everyday use. If you wanted a setting spray, if you wanted a primer, if you wanted a hydrating primer, if you wanted a mattifying primer, if you wanted just a little sunscreen to throw all over your face and body moisturizer, I think this kit is totally worth the price. It's only $39 and you get to try out all of these sunscreens, and it also has all of the active sunscreen ingredients. It has all the information on the back of this. Look at this. I'm so excited. If you guys want me to do an update or a follow-up video to this set, please let me know. I just really wanted to get this video out here because I know this sells out so fast that it's hard to get your hands on it every year. So I want to get this video out, kind of show everything off. And then if you're interested in trying out some new sunscreens, then you can look into picking this up. Now, this year they also had the Sephora favorite Summer Sun on the Fly set that has a matching little bag to the big one. So I thought this was super cute. If you're going to the beach, if you're going somewhere, you can have a little wallet inside of this bigger bag. But let me get into this one. This one is $25. That one's about $40. This one's $25. So this one has a couple of things, but a little bit more hydrating along the line, not so much sunscreen. Let's get into this. So we have another fresh sugar advanced therapy. I believe this is a clear one. Yes. Oh, these smell so good. So this one is the regular advanced therapy hydrating lip balm from Fresh. I'm so happy I'm expanding my Fresh collection. Next thing is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Now this Glow Recipe Moisturizer, I have been considering buying the full size because I took home a sample of it after swatching it on my hand. I was so shocked at how hydrating this actually was. My hands felt so soft afterwards. So I'm really excited about this. So happy. Also, I absolutely love the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. As you can tell, I've been using a bit of it. I'm gonna have to buy like 5 of these. But this is my all-time favorite like misting spray. And so I'm excited to expand my knowledge on the Glow Recipe. Next is a cute little Brazilian Bum Bum cream. I know a ton of people love the Bum Bum cream because it helps with stretch mark, firming, hydration, and it smells really good. So now we're gonna get into a little bit more of the sunscreen. So this is the Volition Prismatic Luminizing Shield SPF 50, and I think I've swatched this on my hand because this brand, the packaging is always super cute. I always want to try them out, but this one's super interesting. It has, I know I have like a million sunscreens on my skin right now, but it's this kind of pinky color, and then once you rub it in, it turns into like this opalescence like glow to your face. It's so pretty. We have another Supergoop product. This is the Smooth and Poreless 100% Mineral Matte Sunscreen. SPF 40, water resistant and sweat resistant for 40 minutes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I am so excited about this. I freaking love Supergoop. I don't think I can tell you guys that enough. Like, I even picked up the Shimmer Shade Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 30 in First Light by Supergoop, and I'm so excited to use this in the summer because I always say that I feel like your eyes are never really protected. So like if I could use this on my face, this on my eyes, then I'm set. And the last product in here that I have been wanting to try out, but I've never self-tanned before, but I know this is very, very popular. But this is the Isle of Paradise Light Self-Tanning Drops. And I want to try these out in a separate video so bad because I'm really curious about how it works, what to do, how it looks on me, because I've never self-tanned ever. So if you're interested in that video, please let me know. Alright, and that is all for this video today. I hope you guys had so much fun looking into these little sets. I'm hoping that I get to show you guys something new and exciting for summer, and I hope you guys use sunscreen. Nobody wants to deal with skin cancer. If you like this video, or if you have anything that you want me to try out in any of these sets, please leave a comment down below and give me a thumbs up so I know to do more videos with these little sets for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.